Hey there! Let's see how you can automatically convert customers into referral partners with Afflr. After logging in into your Shopify admin dashboard, open the Afflr affiliate marketing application. Navigate to the settings section at the top of the page. Once you're in the settings section, you're ready to make some adjustments. On the settings page, scroll down a bit in the general section, and you'll find an option to enable automatic customer registration for a program. When activated, customers will automatically join the selected program. To activate this feature, toggle the button next to it to make it live. A pop-up will appear where you can choose a program. Simply click the Select Program button to continue. Another pop-up will appear where you can select your desired program. Let's go ahead and approve the one labeled Give 10% and Get 10%. Once you've selected your program, click the Change button to confirm your choice. Next, if you want to automatically approve referral partners when they join, check the corresponding box. This means anyone who registers for the program will automatically be approved and receive their unique referral link or code. Finally, click the Enable button to activate this feature. And that's it. The referral automation has now been successfully enabled in your Shopify store. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.